about us having the right tools, the right skills and the right knowledge to build a change management capability that really recognize the complexity of people and the needs of individuals within an organization, and that the other components in this model are the part of the tool set we use.
Managers' leaders' job is to manage change. They should have their people who can run the business every day. They've got good people who know how to do their job. The last thing they want is their manager interfering in their day job. Their job primarily for me is what's coming over the horizon, how do I prepare my people for change, how do I support and coach them through change. So I think change management as a core business capability is very far reaching and deep if it's done well.
Much like Craig's point on the various type of people you've got involved within this change, it doesn't just fall on the technology experts to carry out the technology change. It's also those involved with the process. It's also getting the feedback from clients, from suppliers, etc., down that chain to look for those opportunities to improve.